In this lecture, we will see how to create 3D practice exercise 6. You can see here elevation, side view and top view 3D view. This is the length and this one is the length. 30 and 30, 40, total 100 mm. 30, 30, 60, 60 plus 40, 100 mm. And this is 50 mm this side. And height is 100 mm. Just go to here, click here new, select this template, click open. Then go to here home. This all the thing it is perfect. Then go to here, select here box, click any location, select here length, make it length is 100. You can press F8. You have to switch on ortho mode, that is very important. Already it is switch on. Make it here 100, then press enter. Make it this side, it is 50, then press enter. Height is 100, then press enter. Next we need to cut and remove this location and this location. You can see here this side horizontally 20 mm, vertically total 100 mm, 100 minus 10, 90 mm. Just go to here, then go to the copy edges, select this one, press enter, click any location, make it like this 20, then press enter. Press escape key, just go to the copy edges again, click this edge, press enter, click here, make it like this 20, then press enter. Next we need to make it this vertically 90 mm. Go to the copy edges, click this edge, press enter, click here, make it like this 90, then press enter. Go to here, press pull, click this one, remove this one, click here, you can remove like this. Select this 2D line, delete it. Next we need to make it this one, we need to cut and remove. Horizontally 40 and vertically 65. Just go to here, select here front, then go to the rectangle, click any location, go to the dimension, make it 40, 65, 40, then press enter, 65, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and click this midpoint, then go to the press pull, click here and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one. You can see here this one is horizontally 40, vertically 20. Just go to here, go to the rectangle again, click any location, go to the dimension, make it 40 and 20, 40, then press enter, 20, then press enter, click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and click this midpoint, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it here this one. You can see here this slot horizontally 5 mm and vertically it is 30 mm. Just go to here, select here top, then go to the rectangle, click any location, make it like this, select here dimension, make it horizontally 5, vertically 30, horizontally 5, then press enter, make it this side 30, then press enter, click this location, then go to the fillet, select here fillet, make it radius 2.5, then press enter, select here polyline and select this one, press escape key, select this one, go to the move command, go near to this, you will get it geometric center, click this one, place it here middle and select this one, go to the move command, click here, place it like this 10, then press enter. If you go to the PDF, you can see here this is 5 mm, this one is 7.5 mm. If you have any center line, you can make it 5 divided 2, you will get it 2.5. 2.5 plus 7.5, you will get it in 10, because we placed this geometric center in this middle, so we need to move up to this location 10 mm. Then go to here, then select here top view, then select this one, type MI in your keyboard, then press enter. Click this midpoint and click this midpoint, press enter, then go to here south east isometric, you can see here, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, then make it like this also, click here, make it this one, select this 2D line, delete it. Next we need to make it this projection, you can see here this one, you can see here this one. First we need to make it 36 diameter circle. Just go to here, before that select here, make it left or right. I select here left, you can see here this is our working plane. Then go to the circle, click here, then go to the diameter, make it 36, then press enter. Select this one, go to the copy command, click this midpoint and place it here, press escape key, just go to here. Next you can see we need to place it this center. You can see here this one, radius 25, from this center to this point we have 25 mm. Just go to here, select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it like this 25, then press enter. Then we need to make it press pull this side and this side 3 mm. Go to here, press pull, click here, make it like this 3, then press enter. Then go to this side, click here, make it 3, then press enter. Press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this hole also, you can see here this hole. For that we need to make it diameter 30 circle, radius 15, you can see here radius 15, diameter is 30. Just go to here, then go to the circle, go near to this circle, click here, make it like this. You can make radius 15 or you can make it diameter 30 also. Then go to the press pull, click here, then click here, press escape key, select this line, delete it. Now you can see perfectly created. Next we need to make it this one. For that we need to make it fillet 25. Just go to here, go to the solid and select here fillet edge and select here radius, make it 25, then press enter. Select this one, it is solid edge, then press double enter. Then go to this side, press enter, repeat the same command, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same command, double enter, press enter, repeat the same command. Here also double enter. Now it is ready. Next we need to make it this fillet, you can see this 3 mm fillet, you can see here. Just go to here and select here fillet edge, select here radius, make it 3, then press enter. Select this edge, then press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also. Click this edge, press double enter, it is ready. Next we need to make it here this fillet edge, we need to make it in 5 radius. Just go to here, go to the fillet edge, make it here radius 5, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same command, press double enter, make it like this, press enter, select this one, press double enter, press enter, make it this one. Now this also ready. Just go to here home and select here southeast isometric. Now this one is ready. Next this one we can arrange inside layout. Just go to the layout, then go to here layout tab, select here base and select here from model space, arrange this one, press enter, repeat the same this location and this location and place it here, press enter, here it is. Select this one, go to here edit view and select here shaded with edge. Now you can see this line we don't want, just go to the visibility, tangent we don't want, no, then press enter, you will get it this one. Next we can make the scale also. Just go to here, you can see the scale, it is 1:1 and here also it is 1:1. Just keep as it is, don't want to make any changes. Next you can see if you want to make this center lines and all, you can go to here, select here center line layer, then go to the annotate, select here center mark. You can make here also center mark if you want. You can select here center line, select this one and select this one, select this one, click here, place it up to here. Next, we don't have any difference in this dimension. Already you know how to create diameter and this radius, how to create this linear dimension, how to create everything you know, and you can make it this everything. Then once you finish this everything, you can save the file, you can print the drawing.